Star witness testimony on day 2 of Bill Cosby's sexual assault trial. The accuser in the case, Andrea Constand, took the stand. NBC 10's legal analyst Enrique Latoison is live outside the courthouse in Norristown. Enrique, the star witness, Andrea Constand, testified on just the second day of the trial. Why would the prosecutors have her on the stand so early on?
Well, it was a well-thought-out strategic, decision in this case. I was surprised how quickly that she got on the stand. But if you think about it, the first accuser, which was a bad acts testimony, testified yesterday, Mrs. Johnson. Now, today, it was almost like a mini trial within a trial because you had 2 witnesses that were backing up Ms. Johnson's testimony from yesterday. And then what they do is they put Ms. Constand on today, which testifies in close in time to those corroborating witnesses. I think what the prosecution wanted to do was show a consistent story amongst the corroborating witnesses, Ms. Johnson from yesterday, and now you go right into Ms. Constand and you have her testify, showing the jury that everyone consistently is having the same story about what they're accusing Mr. Cosby of.
Well, yesterday the defense really did make it clear they would question the credibility of these witnesses. So how do jurors respond to that, especially when you're questioning a woman who says she was sexually assaulted?
Well, this trial, it was coming up for a very long time. So there's nothing that hasn't been thought out very carefully from the prosecution and the defense. The defense made it very clear yesterday. They're going to go after her. They're going to make sure they come at her hard. They were yelling yesterday. So I think that when you make that decision that you were going to go after Ms. Constand, that you were going to attack her credibility, that you do not believe anything that she's talked about, and you believe that she's made up all of this, then that is your theory, and that's what you're going to do. And the jury's going to understand that. The jury's going to see that. I do not believe they're going to punish Mr. Cosby or the defense team for picking that strategy. It's going to work with some people, and some people might not like that.
Of course, we'll see what happened. Enrique Latoison, as always, thanks for your legal insight today and going forward as we continue to cover every angle of this trial.
Thanks, Aaron.